Hi everyone, I'm Muskan Sharma, a CBSE Class 12 student studying PCM from Army Public School, Danapur Cant, Patna, Bihar. I'm a girl who constantly chases her dreams, who loves to read, loves to get acknowledged, loves to share, loves to write sometimes, and especially speak and create impact. Well, how all of these are possible if I don't really put the work which is required for me to achieve them? Well, I must say that we spend most of our lives thinking that a perfect time will come and then I'll start the work. But I must say that we also don't know that if that perfect time or that moment is really existing or not. I constantly struggled with this habit of delaying my tasks for like months. Or a word which is more suitable here is called procrastination. A very common Gen Z word these days, which almost every student is facing. I faced it too, but this week I challenged myself to overcome it, for which I planned every task that I had to do, every work that I had to do. I jotted down in my diary or used any apps to help me. I not just planned, but I also executed because I aspire to be an executive officer, and if I don't really execute my work properly, then definitely it's a problem. So I executed everything and then I learned from them. And in this entire journey, I learned one thing is that if you're not interested in the particular work, you would definitely delay it. But that interest will only come when you will take the first step. As you can see, the books lying behind me, once upon a time, they waited for me to read them. But now I can proudly say that I have read them all. If not a few, then I'm still in the process of reading them. I've taken the first step. And RSC really motivated me of taking this challenge. So I finally took and overcome it. And to all the students, I just want to share one thing is that just start. Don't wait for the right moment to come. There's no right moment. It only exists in the hypothetical world. It doesn't exist in real life. We have to constantly put our effort to achieve something which we really aspire for. Otherwise, it would only be a dream and never turn into a reality. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.